The Shinco 8000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner brings powerful cooling to your space with convenience, efficiency, and versatility. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in the description below for the latest pricing details of this air conditioner. Whether you're battling summer heat or managing indoor humidity, this unit is a compact yet capable solution for rooms up to 200 square feet. What makes this air conditioner a standout is its efficient 3-in-1 functionality. It seamlessly switches between cooling, fan-only, and dehumidifier modes, giving you flexible climate control all year round. The cooling capacity of 8,000 BTUs ensures your environment stays refreshingly cool even on sweltering days. And with a dehumidifying capability of up to 19.2 liters per day, it helps maintain a comfortable indoor humidity level without requiring manual water drainage, thanks to its self-evaporating system. Installation is another strong point. The unit comes with everything you need: an exhaust hose and a sliding window kit, so setup takes just minutes with no extra tools required. Simply place the sealing kit on your window, attach the 59-inch hose, and you're good to go. Its sleek, white design fits discreetly into any room, and the smooth gliding caster wheels allow you to move it wherever cooling is needed most. Ease of use is clearly a priority with the Shinco Portable AC. It features a bright LED display and a user-friendly remote control that works from up to 23 feet away, putting temperature and fan speed adjustments right at your fingertips. You can also direct airflow manually using the adjustable vent, ensuring personalized comfort. At night, the sleep mode automatically lowers noise levels to under 55 decibels and adjusts the temperature gradually for uninterrupted rest. Additional features include a 24-hour timer allowing you to set the unit to turn on or off exactly when needed, ideal for managing energy use or returning home to a cool environment. With a strong 4.1-star rating from over 10,000 users and a top 3 rank among portable air conditioners, Shinco's unit proves itself as a reliable choice for efficient home cooling. Whether you're in a bedroom, home office, or small living room, this AC offers comfort, control, and performance in one compact package.